That was a fairly long printing session. I had to do it in 3 separate parts because I couldn't get them all onto the bed in one go. Did them all brim method with this extra little bit on the outside. And yeah, another pulse motor. That's the basics assembled. So we've got 3D printed parts. I've got some brass tubing for the bearings, and we've got a sewing needle as the actual shaft up the middle. And the advantage of these brass tubes is I can move them in and out to get the position right for the wheel in the middle. It's not absolutely perfect, but it's not far off. Right, the purpose of doing this was to try out this Christmas LED light flasher unit and see whether it'll actually drive the pulse motor. The problem is we've got no control over the speed of the pulses. So it's a matter of whether we can get the speed right so they align with the pulses. If they align with the pulses, it'll keep running. If they don't, it'll stop. Like that. Twice as many magnets, alternating north, south, north, south, north, south on the way round, because sometimes that works better, because as it's pushing one magnet away, it's pulling the other one towards it. You also notice I've got a tiny bit of blue tack on there to try and balance it. But we're not there. It's so close, but it's not there. Right, they're all facing the same way now. And it's just working. Go on, keep going, don't stop just because I feel... Oh, there you go. It's not perfect. I just put fresh batteries in. Oh, and it was working for about 3 or 4 minutes. One ultra-fire lithium-ion battery and 2 dummies. Which in theory is less voltage. Fully charged, that's I've just flipped the coil over so the magnetic field is reversed. So now we've got a big lump of blue tack under there to stop the coil bouncing around. I just thought I'd demonstrate the difference we get if we actually put a trigger in there. What I've got just here is a reed switch or a reed relay. It's a little pair of contacts that when a magnet goes past them, they make contact. So it's just there and it's triggered as the magnets fly past. So it's the same batteries. I've got the switch in the position that doesn't put the pulses out, so it's just a straight current flow. So if I plug that in and give it a little bit of a help, that's what a pulse motor does when it's allowed to trigger itself. Done with a bit of glue on that one, it's wobbling around. But yeah, that's the difference. Allowed to regulate itself and it flies. If I move that away so it's no longer being triggered, actually it probably is being triggered, but it's no longer in sequence. I'll do a close-up of the reed switch or reed relay. Right, so there you go, that's what it should look like. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.